Alright guys, I just wanted to make a little video here. I've got a Moto Zforce 800 EXEPS, and I've had it for just a little bit. I'm actually at about 100 miles on it, and real happy with the machine. But I've been doing quite a bit of riding on a hard pack, and I decided to take and change my wheels and tires from the stock, which is on a tow right now, from stock to a STI HD8 wheel and a 28-inch instead of 26-inch STI XComp 10-ply radial tire. So anyway, I'm going to change these out here right now. I just got these, and I will update this video whenever I get them on there. And I'm going to try and review them a little bit, because I was looking on YouTube and I couldn't find a lot of reviews on the STI XComp tire. I mean, there was a couple, but it wasn't by people who were riding a lot. So anyway, I'm going to get busy here, get them put on, and I'll get back. See ya.